Welcome to Avid About Adventure. In today's episode,
we are going to go to Boulineau, which is where you can see us arriving now, and afterwards we're going to do some bridge fishing at the Cherry Grove Park and boat ramp. So when we make it inside Boulineau, we're going to show you us picking up some bait and looking at some tackle. If any of you are like us, we love to pick up bait right before we go fish. And there are many other things to do inside Boulineau, and we're going to try to show you that in a future episode. Okay, so the department you're seeing here is called Frank's Seafood, and we love to stop by here because you can get about half a pound of shrimp as bait for a relatively cheap price.
Have the size.
Yeah.
Dang.
Let's see.
They got two. Well, no, they got twos. I can go with twos.
Yeah.
If I really want to. I'll just grab a couple. How much are they? 89 cents. I'll get four. Just so I have some.
Yeah, it looks like most of the hooks are gone, but I'm seeing that brand. I saw it at Bass Pro Shops.
Look at that thing, right?
Yeah, those are way bigger.
Yeah, you don't
really need those.
know.
You thinking about getting some fishing line too?
Nah,
I know you were talking about changing it out.
I had figured something out yesterday.
If you're using that loop method we were using, your line's thinner, so it might fit on it easier. But I know my line is like 8-pound monofilament, so it wasn't the easiest to get on it. I was about to have to cut it in half, but I pinched it with the pliers and it was able to get on. So you might have to cut it in half.
Markel was letting me use a hook from his supply, and the hole was a lot smaller to get the line through that I was using for my fishing pole. I think it's called Omniflex from a Zebco, if I'm not mistaken.
I got it.
You got it?
Yep.
That's good.
Without doing that.
Huh?
Without doing that. I didn't have to cut it at all.
All right, pro.
Huh?
All right, pro.
Yeah. Markel. Ooh. Boy, you better stop fighting me.
Caught another one.
Dang, I got him good too.
Need some help?
I might have it.
Okay.
I'm saying might. Okay. Relax. You're okay. Put that weight down. Where'd I put that?
The pliers are over there on the far end.
Of course.
Of the
Can you
bridge.
get them for me?
Yeah, I got you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
down, relax for me. Wait. You piss me off. You could have been out.
You got it? Oh.
No, I don't have it. He won't. I think he made it worse too. You just made it worse, didn't you? Come on. There we go.
There we go.
You okay? I think he's good.
That was good.
Yeah, I hate when that happens though, because I'm not trying to like loss of
Yeah.
life, loss of food, future food for no reason. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Sometimes it can't be helped, but in a case like that, it's like I'm not trying to. But he's not floating at the top, so he should be good.
Yeah.
I think that fake.
That's what they're eating. It looks like what they're eating.
Yeah. Dang, he messed up my line. Woo. Oh no, he didn't.
Like, it's never that deep. Like, as long as you have something that mimics what they're eating, then you're good.
I ain't get nothing on that new rod yet. It's low key making me mad. Low key making me angry right now. Low key. So I don't know what these right here, bro.
Okay.
These I think I put a little bit of shrimp with it, and they seem to bite this too by
You got
itself.
an extra one?
You can have that one because it's without the hook. I don't.
Okay.
That one was broke off, but I don't even know if I have any more.
It's perfect though. That's what I need.
Yeah, I do. Here, I got another one.
No, because I have a hook.
No, I got one more too. Did you get yourself?
Almost.
Damn.
Nah, because I want to use this hook as well.
Okay.
But if you have an extra one,
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah,
I got one more I can use too. I think I'm gonna get more of these.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try it out. Oh, I'm tripping, bro.
What?
I left, that bait that was just sitting there. I thought it was tied to my thing, and I dropped it.
We just wasted 2 of them things, bro, because we lost them.
See, look.
Boy.
Look.
See what?
He caught a flounder.
Oh, okay. Oh. Another dang pinfish. Dang. I was about to get a picture of you at least. He hopped off my line. No, sir. I threw it back. Hey, you should have kept it. That's a hogfish. Is it? Yeah. I'm just now starting out, so I don't know much about fish yet. Oh, dang. Some people use it. They're good. Okay. I'll remember that for next time. I took a picture, so I'll know. I appreciate that. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate that. You might be wondering why I was looking back kind of confused or just in general, like what the heck is going on. A police officer rolls up behind in a cruiser and he was asking me about the fish I had previously caught. He was explaining that it was a hogfish, apparently, and that they're good for eating or using as bait. But I wasn't aware of that, and I told him I threw it back.
Sure. We might as well.
Yeah.
Put them in the cooler. I ain't trying. Thank you, dude.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate that.
I kept mine yesterday. I got to cook it this evening.
Yeah, appreciate it, man. I thought I was about to flip out. Yeah.
Upon further research of the fish the police officer mentioned, it isn't a hogfish, and I'm still not aware of what fish it was. So if you know, perhaps you can tell us down in the comment section below. Thank you.
Oh, another one.
This time on the good one.
Wow, I'm over here catching nothing.
You want to switch spots?
Nah,
I'll fish over there for a little while.
Nah, you good.
It's a pinfish.
This is a pretty big one.
So we got to learn.
Yeah.
That's my first time. We using shrimp?
Yeah.
That's an artificial
Wrong
blood
hand.
one. Yeah.
Well, I did both actually.
There's a snake in my boot.
Dang, I got a hook in my croc.
I threw them back.
You heard me?
You got a hook in your croc?
Yeah. This isn't even mine.
It's dangerous in these parts.
No, I did not throw that hook right back on the ground. I actually set it in the cup holder on top of the cooler, and shortly after we threw it in the trash. I'm a big believer in not littering, and something I hear a lot of other anglers say is to keep the place you're fishing in or that you visit as clean as possible. Pinfish.
You got it?
Yeah. Can you give me the
Pliers and gloves?
Yeah. That's another pinfish.
I have to clean my phone again. Shoot.
Why you said that?
Because my nasty hands. I'm trying not to touch it like that, but we don't.
I need the right-handed glove.
I'm not sure where my head was when he was asking for that glove and the pliers.
You said what?
He was asking for the right-handed
right-handed
glove,
glove.
and
Just
he asked
looking
like
at
2 or
my
3 times, and I had just
Let
like
me see it.
not even
Okay.
acknowledged
Got
it to any
Yeah.
extent. My fishing line was getting
I stepped
stuck,
back.
and I was getting frustrated about it. I kept trying to figure out what was going on, and in this last part, it had like I had cast it out a little bit, and when I was trying to bring it back up, it got stuck again, and I'm whipping it back, and it almost hits me in the face.
To give Bobby credit, he gave me the items that I asked for in the scene prior. I believe it was just his subconscious that knew I had whatever it was I was asking for. And I asked for right-handed glove, but I meant left-handed. I ultimately think we were both just tired. We had been out there for a while, and we were just ready to wrap it up. So what's up, y'all? This nice guy we met out here gave us some bait fish, and we're about to try to put it on my hook and cast it out here and see what we can catch. Just so you can connect the dots a little better, the gentleman you saw giving us that flounder a few scenes back is who gave us the live bait.
He's just. Yo. Got it.
You hold my pole. Oh, that sand's on this. Sorry, little guy.
Bro, you just gonna have to do it, bro.
I am. It just keeps flipping out.
I think that hook might be too small though.
I'm gonna do it this way.
Do you hear me? I'm not afraid anymore.
Yo, that's not how it's supposed to go.
Uh-huh.
It's supposed to be all different, bro.
I know.
So I wasn't able to catch anything with the live bait, but I wanted to share it with you all because it was my first time hooking live bait, and that was a cool experience. And it was Bobby's first time too. You'll actually see him walking up with the fish, but we had a low battery, so the recording stopped, and we weren't able to catch that footage.
Think this guy dead.